So this is your starting grid. Paul, Makilical Pass, Kerwin Chang, Rojas, followed by Fernando, Sobretodo, Paredes, Lining, Del Mundo, Chang, Sablaya, Esguera, Pilapil, Harlego, Duran, Canoy, Tapel, Fernando, Solis, Malonzo, Paralejas, and Ferreras. So this is scheduled for 12 laps. 12 laps po ito. 12 hot racing laps to determine our national two national champions po, the SP National Champion for UB Limited and the GP National Champion for the SP Limited. So the battle will be between Fernando and Sobretodo in the GP class, and I think it's and it's gonna be between Lee Pino Chang and Raymart Lining for the SP Championship. 15 points lang po ang lamang ni 16 points ang lamang ni Lee Pino Chang. So kailangan niya mag-finish ahead of Lining. Meanwhile, Masado Fernando is 44 points, so wag lang siya mag-DNF. Masado Fernando just needs to finish the race to claim a national championship, while Lee Pino Chang just needs to finish ahead of Raymart Lining to secure his championship. If he finishes behind Lining, dapat mga maximum 3 positions down lang from Raymart Lining. Right now, he's 2 positions down from the grid. Lining is ahead by 2 positions on the grid. As we wait for the start, here we go. Red light. Whoa, what a wheelie from Makilical Pass. And I think it's a hole shot from the Wonder Boy. Yes, hole shot. But look at that from the outside. Kerwin Chang and Timothy Rojas. It's gonna be Kerwin Chang. And then, wow, but Masato Fernando is already up to 3rd place. So, it's Masato Fernando, Kerwin Chang, it's Makilical Pass, followed by Kerwin Chang, Masato Fernando, Timothy Rojas. Your top 4. Wow, just 2 corners pa lang po. This is just the start of the race. Mukhang hindi pinapalayo ni Kerwin Chang si Makilical Pass. Remember, the Underbone Limited category, stomping ground dyan ni Kerwin Chang. Let's see. And look at that. Masato Fernando immediately up to 3rd. And here goes. Para pong Moto3 ang pinapanood natin, parang MotoGP. These are the top riders of the Philippines, both international and domestic, battling for the limited Underbone National Championship. Here we go. Makilical Pass. Kerwin Chang, Masato Fernando, Timothy Rojas. Oh, Leandro Paredes. Kerwin Chang is now the leader. Mukhang nakuha niya sa first corner. So, first time Kerwin Chang leading the race, but nakatutok lang si Makilical Pass. Your top 5 then, Leandro Paredes from Team Pop Shock Attack is in 5th position. Wow! So, we have Pass, Chang, Fernando. At nakasunod ang dalawang mabilis na intermediate rider, Timothy Rojas of DLW Racing and Leandro Paredes of Pop Shock Attack. Wow! Established teams, Spec V, Yamaha Philippines, and Dodge Garage being followed closely by DLW and Pop Shock Attack Racing. It's gonna be an exciting 2025 as we see new teams finally stepping up and able to challenge the big teams, at least here in the Super Underbone Limited. Hindi nakakalayo ang mga factory bikes and PFTs. Andiyan na po, Timothy Rojas, Dumaib. Looks like he's gonna take, nope. Fernando managed to retain third place. Wow, tignan natin kung tatagal ako matapos ang karera sa dami ng lead changes. There goes Timothy Rojas and Leandro Paredes, but nasa likod na another blue bike. It's Kerwin Chang's brother, Lipino Chang. Your top SP riders gunning for the SP Championship. Dumidikit sa ating GP riders. Wow! Your top 6 rider includes Lipino Chang, the top SP rider. Ito, Kerwin Chang. Pass up! Nearly touch. So, Lipino Chang is now part of the top 5 GP riders. But an impressive performance by Team DMW's Rojas and Pop Shakatax, Leandro Paredes, able to stay with the big teams. Here we go. Third lap. Here goes. Paredes trying to take a lunge. Is that Timothy? Yes, Timothy Rojas. Lunge over Fernando. And Calpas trying to get the inside from Kerwin Chang. So, Bakile Calpas. Mukhang nagkamali si Kerwin Chang na grand wide. So it's now, Bakil, it's Calpas. Now it's DLW in second place. Pop Shakatak, Paredes in third place. And I think, yes, Kerwin Chang preserved fourth place. Wow. That was a mistake now. The two Chang brothers are now magkasunod with Kerwin Chang being followed by his brother, Lipino Chang. Wow. Nagkamali si Kerwin Chang. Mukhang na-pressure kay Kyle Pass. But let's see. Still a long race. 8 laps pa lang po. Remember, this is the National Championship. Mukhang masaya ang IRGP. This is just a preview of IRGP. Look at that. Very competitive. Again, Pass leading over DLW's Rojas. Then Pop Shakatak, Paredes, Kerwin Chang, and Lipino Chang of Spec Me 99 in 4th and 5th. Masato. Whoa! Look at that plunge by Timothy Rojas taking the lead on turn 2. Now it's Timothy Rojas in the lead. Here we go. It's still Timothy Rojas in the lead. Nakita po natin sa replay yung pagkuha ni Timothy. But back to your live. Bakili Calpas diving on the inside, retaking the lead from Timothy Rojas. And nandyan na rin po si Paredes and Kerwin Chang. Wow, your top 5 riders. Anybody can win. Wow. 5 laps pa lang po ang ating karera. Here we go. Timothy Rojas will make another attempt. Wow, DLW Racing for 3 corners took the lead here in the National GP Super Underbone Limited. Ayan po si Timothy Rojas, nakatutok pa rin kay Calpas. Will he make another lunge? Here we go, he does! Can he make it? Nope. Wisely, nag-back off si Timothy. So, pass. Timothy. Paredes. Ito po si Kerwin Chang, nasa outside ni Paredes. Gonna take back that third place. Yes, but ang kapatid niya sumusunod. Mukhang masasandwich si Paredes. Nope. Okay, wow. What a race. Kerwin Chang now back inside ni Kyle Pass. And ayan po, pag-inside si Kerwin Chang over Timothy. Nope. Wow, our top 5 riders. World-class racing po ang nakikita natin para po tayo nanonood ng RRC. Look at that. Makili Kyle Pass, Timothy Rojas, Kerwin Chang, Leandro Paredes, Yamaha Racing, DLW Racing, Pop Shakatak, and KC99. Here goes Kerwin Chang. He's gonna take second. Nope. Yes, Kerwin Chang able to take second place back from Timothy Rojas. But na po, si Leandro Paredes nakatutok ulit kay Timothy Rojas. So, it's Makili Calpas, Kerwin Chang, Timothy Rojas, Leandro Paredes, Lipino Chang. Ang bilis ng Lipino Chang ngayon to make sure that he gets. There goes Kerwin Chang again on the outside. Susunod na bumulusok si Timothy Rojas. Kaya ba? Yes! Kerwin Chang and Timothy Rojas. Na-outbreak nila si Pass in the second corner with 6 laps to go. But there goes Makili Kalpas, sumilip sa inside. Nope. So Marshals are busy with the blue flag. We don't want any bark marker affecting this spectacular battle between the top riders and the top teams of the Moto IR Championship. Spec B, KC99 versus Yamaha Racing Philippines versus DLW Racing versus Pop Shakatak. Here we go. Kerwin Chang in the lead, followed by Timothy Rojas, Makili Kalpas, and Leandro Paredes of Pop Shakatak. Will Pop Shakatak take his first, the team take and Leandro's first podium finish here in the Motul Moto IR Super Underbone Limited GP class? Here we go. Meanwhile, Masato Fernando is down to 9th place. So like I said, wag lang mag-DNF. He is now behind Sobretodo. So Sobretodo is now ahead of Fernando. So nakat na ng konti ang lead ni Masato. But again, Masato is way ahead. Wag lang po mag-DNF. So Masato, if he has a machine problem, kailangan lang po niyang i-nurse ang kanyang bike. Make sure hindi siya mag-DNF. Nakatutok pa rin po tayo sa ating top 4 riders. Kerwin Chang of Spec V, leading Timothy Rojas of DLW, followed by Paz, Yamaha Racing Philippines, and Leandro Paredes of Pop Shakatak. Here we go. Nope, medyo di muna pumorma si Timothy. We still have 4 laps to go. So, nagbabasahan na itong 4 na to. Meanwhile, Leandro Paredes is learning a lot by following these 3 fast riders, Paz, Timothy, and Chang. Ayan po si Paredes, nakatutok lang. Less than half a second lang ang gap niya sa leader. So, if he finishes in this place, it's a good achievement for him in the team kasi pinakita nilang Pop Shakatak na they can run with the top boys finally in the National Super Underbone Limited class. Meanwhile, I don't know if Bakili Kalpas is just toying with the 3 riders or it's the first time of Paz and Yamaha Racing Philippines to join this class. So, under development pa rin po ang kanilang engine. So, with 3 laps to go, Paz is in third. Here goes Timothy Rojas trying to take a lunge on the downside of Kerwin Chang. At siyempre sumusunod si Kyle Paz. Nope, while Kyle Paz wisely hindi pinilit. Very close po ang labanan. Look at that. Kerwin Chang, Timothy Rojas, Makili Kalpas, and Leandro Paredes. Di mo po malaman kung sino ang mananalo with 3 laps to go. Sa lahat po nanonood dyan ng Facebook like, comment, and share naman po kayo. Please react. Meanwhile, Bid Pack, it's Dustin Esguerra ahead of his old nemesis. It's Jacob Sablaya. Ito pong dalawa ang naglaban noong 2022 dito sa IRGP. That's Dustin Esguerra versus Jacob Sablaya and EJ Sobretodo battling for 5, 6, 7. And we're back to the lead pack. Oh, we have a bad news. Yung sinasabi ko kanina, Masato Fernando retires and a DNF. Let's hope that Sobretodo, ano kayang finish ni Sobretodo? Remember, he has only 40 plus points. But he's outside the top 3. So even if it's double, medyo safe na si Sato. Huwag lang mag-second place si Sobretodo. At si Sato ay but wow. Again, Masato Fernando reported to be a DNF. So it's now really down to a 4-man battle. Kerwin Chang, Timothy Rojas. Oh, look at that. Leandro Paredes sumisilip kay Makili Kalpas of Yamaha Racing Philippines. Leandro Paredes of Pop Shakatak. 4 teams, Spec VKC 99, DLW Racing, Yamaha Racing Philippines, and Pop Shock Attack. 4 riders, 4 teams. That's how competitive the Motul Moto IR Super Underbowl Limited class. Limited class pa lang po ito, but again, this is a very good class kasi as you can see, small new teams can compete with the established factory teams. And of course, our champion PFT team, Spec BKC99, is represented here as well and is now in the lead. Medyo lumalayo, but I'm sure Timothy Roas and Makili Calpas hindi papayag. At si Leandro Paredes. Wow, what a mature ride from Leandro Paredes. And here we go, Jacob Sablaya and EJ Sobretodo having a scrap with Dustin Esguerra. Sobretodo now in maybe 6th place. So baka nalaman na niyang DNF si Masato. So Sobretodo now is trying to push and increase his finish so that ma-lessen yung gap because it means the national championship. Last lap. Kerwin Chang going for the checkered flag. Kerwin Chang, medyo umalagwa na si Kerwin Chang. Who is gonna take the top 3? Kerwin Chang, Timothy Roas, Makili Calpas, Leandro Paredes in 4th. Less than only half a second behind. Good job sa top 4. Team Papas, Team